Is your wedding around the corner and are you stressed about decor? Well, don't worry, because I got you. I'm Cass and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so glad you're here. Today we're going to go through a tutorial for a winter wedding decor piece that I think is just super easy to make and super versatile. You could use it for a spring, summer, or fall wedding decor piece, but my cousin got married this week and their wedding colors were navy, blush, and white, so I'm gonna go ahead and call this a winter wonderland decor item. If you like the look of this wedding decor piece, sit back and stay tuned. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more related content. Okay, so before we create our decal, we need to map out the size and spacing of our verse and names. I am doing this here with a whiteboard marker so it is easy to clean. After we're happy with the sizing, we can go ahead and prep our mirror for the decal application. I'm going to hop onto Design Space over here. So if you are new to Design Space, welcome. Hopefully our little session here will teach you a little bit of the basics and how to just familiarize yourself with it. So top left over here we have 3 lines, so you just click that for your menu and we'll scroll on to Canvas. So this is our canvas. On the left hand menu here you'll click Text. And we are going to type out the first name that we want, and then we'll open up another text box, type out the second name, and then we will type out our ampersand separately. So the font that we're going to be using is a font that I actually downloaded from defont.com. It is Louisa CP. I think it's really beautiful and just kind of just has like this regal look about it. So since Betsy has a longer name, we're gonna size her name to the dimensions that we want. So we kind of want it to be around 4 inches in height and 7 to 8 inches long. You can see that the font size is 231.18. So I want both of the names to match. So I'm going to click on this and change the font size manually to 231. Okay, so that's going to be the middle of our mirror design, and we can go ahead and just play around, see if we like this or this. So I think I'm partial to the names being a little bit off center. Here I'm just attaching and welding the text together so that everything stays together as one unit when we make it. We are going to hit Make It in the top right corner here. And the material load type, we're going to load that on the Cricut Explorer itself. We have a little knob that we're just going to select vinyl or vinyl plus if you want to make sure that the cut gets done properly. Then you're going to hit continue. Okay, and then it says to continue, please connect your Explorer. So we're going to go ahead and connect my machine, and I'll meet you back here. After I've peeled the mat off from the vinyl, I like to cut away the excess vinyl to save for a future project. I also like to use an X-Acto knife here to separate the decal into more manageable pieces to avoid stray pieces of vinyl sticking to my decal. If you are comfortable with the weeding process, you can skip ahead to this timestamp for the application. Here I have recruited my husband to apply the decal to the mirror because I am absolutely hopeless at maintaining alignment for any of my projects. So okay, ready? Perfect. You did such a good job. I'm so proud of you, Jessica. So we repeated the same process for the verse and the date on this mirror, and this is how it turned out. We also completed a second mirror using the same process, and this was used for the favor table. Here's one more final look of our mirrors on location. Thank you so much for dropping by. I really appreciate it. I hope you learned something today, and I'll catch you soon.
Oh, I hate the dot. Oh my gosh, I saw such a funny like reel.
I can't wait. I can't wait to know. I am so interested to know what your favorite show is. Hi. You're full of snow. Can you see the snow? No? Okay.
Yeah. What do you mean?
The video.